We were honored to receive a courtesy call from Minister Ronald Ozi Lamola, Minister of Internal Relations and Cooperation of the Republic of South Africa. Sanapenda mashoko obuda chitago pana akaenda ichilema pamsoro aiwa panokonzi anoreceive a delegation of South Africa panodiscussa pamsoro the burial process ya Edgar Lungu iri kuno kwakunzi aiwa the family ya Edgar Lungu iri ngoda kungodhipisa zvayo kana kuda kuomesa zvino but panapa panoonekwa kunzi hapamborina chinhu chakambonyanya kushamisira pamusoro pekubheriwa kwake nyika yeZambia. Sanapenda mashoko obuda achifinaliziwa the delegation yatumwa naRamaphosa. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tivena panapa manomubuda nekwamchinzi Minister Lamola conveyed heartfelt condolences from His Excellency President Cyril Ramaphosa and the people of South Africa on the passing of our 6th Republican President, Mr. Edgar Chagwa Lungu. We held a meaningful and respectful discussion regarding the burial of the late president, during which we reaffirmed our firm position that His Excellency Mr. Lungu should be laid to rest in his homeland, the Republic of Zambia. We extend our sincere gratitude to the President of South Africa for the care extended to our late president during his period of illness. We also express our apologies to the South African National Defence Force for the unexpected challenges surrounding the repatriation of the late president's remains on Wednesday, 18 June 2025. Hakainde Hichilema, President of the Republic of Zambia, Thomas Kwantaugwa panapana Hakainde Hichilema Juya aiwa achidismisa maclaims angakutwa the Lungu family yakuda kuchengeta kana kuti kunoviga aiwa the 6th Republican President weZambia Edgar Lungu munyika yeSouth Africa zvaonekwa sekunge aiwa vanenge vanyanya kudzikisira aiwa kodzero kana kuti ambulance yamunyika yeZambia. Tudze mafunguro enyu kuti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pina comment section medu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.